I'm Rob, and I'm shipping my Yamaha T7 down to Santiago, Chile. Riding down to Ushuaia, turning around, and riding all the way back to Canada. Follow me to see where I'm going next.
Good morning, everyone. It is 7:30, and we're just about ready to leave Estancia Don Jose Guel for Gobernador Gregores. It's a longer ride today. It's about 6 hours and 30 minutes, I think around 533 kilometers, of which about 73 or so is on gravel, so that's going to be interesting. And it's raining, so we're all geared up, got the heated vest on, got the rain jacket ready to go, rain gloves. Yeah, so hopefully we don't get too much rain. We had a great night here, wonderful staff, really great. The food was excellent. Included in our bill was breakfast and dinner. And yeah, so this, it came out to a little bit more than we kind of planned for on a nightly basis. We're trying to hit around $50 a night. This was actually double that, but we'll make it up. We know there's going to be some nights where we're maybe paying $20 or $30, and other places where we're camping and saving money altogether. So it's all good. Yeah, right on. So we'll check in later, and hopefully we don't get too wet today. Cheers. All right, a quick update. The rain has stopped, and we see a bit of sunshine, so it's all good.
The next morning we leave Gobernador Gregores and head towards Rio Mayo, down Highway 27 connecting with Highway 288. Highway 288 then connects with Ruta 3 and we continue on into Rio Mayo for the night. Again, more long stretches of highway. We stop into the little seaside community of Puente Bueno for gas and plan our route for the rest of the day, which takes us to Parque Nacional Monte Leon.
sea lion. They inhabit both the Atlantic and the Pacific coast of South America. It is the most common species of Argentina, from Mar del Plata into Tierra del Fuego. They have small ears, brown hair color when dry, and flat, thick nose. Males are larger than females and twice as heavy. Only males have the mane, which gives them the name of sea lion. They form reproductive groups from 4 to 9 females, which they defend along with their territory, fighting against other males. They feed on fish, calamari, and crustaceans, diving up to 100 meters deep. There are archaeological registers and tales of the first explorers that tell of the abundancy of sea lions stationed all along Patagonia's coasts. Since the end of the 17th century, sealing ship visited these coasts in search of sea lion colonies, and in a matter of days killed all the animals for their grease and hides. This irrational exploitation almost extinguished these animals towards the middle of the 20th century. According to official registers, in Monte Leon, over 700 sea lions were hunted during the 1940s. These excesses continued until the 70s, when sea lions and seals were protected worldwide and the grease and hide trade was prohibited. At the moment, the recovery of the species depends on the protection of the fish that are their main food, the sea coast environment, and the areas where they can breed peacefully.
Good afternoon, everyone. Just checking in. It's day 11 and we are in Rio Mayo, which is the capital of Santa Cruz province,
on the east coast, very far down in Argentina. We're still about 550 kilometers or so from Ushuaia. So that's going to take us 2 days from here to get there. We checked into the Hotel Patagonia in Rio Mayo here. And it's very nice. We decided to splurge. It's $50. But it seems prices are all over the place. Last night we stayed in a place that was about, I think it was $50 for 3 of us with 3 different rooms. It was very basic. The night before that at the farm stay, the Estancia Don Jose, that was about $100 a night. So that was twice as much as this. This is a pretty nice hotel. Very comfy beds, secure parking downstairs. It's all good. We're right downtown. I was going to get some laundry done. The bellhop told me that they would do it. Then I called down there afterwards and they said, no, everyone's gone. So unfortunately, I won't be able to get my laundry done. Anyway, I have been washing it on the way, so don't worry there. Yeah, so the first part of the day was good into Santa, I'm forgetting the name of the town, right on the coast, about 200 kilometers north of here. And then we went out to the coast to have lunch. You saw the photos there. Sea lions, lots of birds. It was just absolutely beautiful there on the Atlantic coast. And then we had 200 or so kilometers down the tarmac and then into town. And that was not really too enjoyable. Not much to see. A lot of guanacos or guanacos, those deer-like things that are all over the place down here in Patagonia. They're more plentiful than deer at home. They're just everywhere. Often see them dead on the side of the road or stuck in the fences that they build these fences all the way along the highway for like hundreds of kilometers. The fences are really only about 4 feet high. It doesn't keep these guanacos off the highway. It keeps the cattle and the horses for sure, but the guanacos just jump over and then eat the foliage near the highway and then get hit by cars and trucks, and then they often jump back over the fences. Sometimes they don't make it, and we've seen lots of dead guanacos in the fence, and I guess they just suffer a terrible death in the fence. It's not electric, but they're not moving anywhere, and there's lots of dead ones all along. Anyway, things are good. Day 11, as I said, 2 more days to Ushuaia. I think tomorrow we're going to take the ferry across into Chile. Actually, we cross the border and then take the ferry into Tierra del Fuego, so Land of the Fire. That's coming up soon. Yeah, it's been great, and I'll check in the morning. Thanks.